Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Today is the first day of the Falloween Spooktacular 2024. I'm co-hosting this event with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Please join us each Wednesday and Saturday in the month of October. We'll be sharing fun fall and Halloween projects, tutorials, and we'll also be giving away fun prizes. In order to participate, all you have to do is watch our videos, leave a comment because we love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe. You must be a visible subscriber to both my channel as well as Michelle's channel. For my first project, I created this adorable witch hat box. This is part of Scrap Diva Designs' September release. Now, this was out of stock. However, I'm very happy to announce that it is now back in stock, and you have more than enough time to use it in your Halloween crafting. Before I review the projects in further detail, let me show you the items that I used to make it. The first item that I used to make this project is the witch hat box. This is the brim of the hat. This is the gift box, and on the back you have the decorative matting layers. One of my favorite things about this die is that you have the words Hocus Pocus. This is a really fun font, and I love that you have the shadow layer with this as well. I also used an older die by Scrap Diva. This is the witch broom. It's so cute. You've got the cute little witch legs, and then you have the small, and then you have the larger bow. Now, all of these dies are available at scrapdivadesigns.com. Once again, you can use my coupon code Robyn10 to receive a 10% discount. Also, while you're online, please be sure to visit Scrap Diva Designs on Instagram, YouTube, as well as TikTok. If you need more fun crafting inspiration, don't forget to type in hashtag Scrap Diva Designs, and you will see all the fun projects from the design team as well as the Scrap Diva Designs crafting community. So let's take a closer look at our project. This is my witch hat gift box, and I love the way this turned out. I had so much fun working on this. I think this is really fun and whimsical. Front and center, you can see this witch bow. I love the double layered bow here, and then it has a double tiered skirt and these adorable little witch legs that are sticking out. They're going every which way but loose. In the back, I have a sentiment that says, if you got it, haunt it. Now, I did not include the cursive Hocus Pocus sentiment that came with it. Because I've included a large rosette in this bow, it took up too much real estate, so I will use that on another project. On the side, we have this fun rosette in the background, and then I used this orange glitter spiderweb tulle. I think that looks so pretty, and then I flanked it with these black and brown flowers. This is the back. I love this rust colored paper with the stars, and then we have this fun spider web that is the band of the box. Now, when I remove the hat, it reveals the candy box inside. Now, that's a pretty ample size. Now, when you look at the bottom of the box, you can see that I've used this fun paper that has witch's boots. Isn't that cute? Here's another look at the side, and then we're back around to the front. What I love about this project is that it is appropriate for all ages. You can certainly make this for children, or in my case, I've made this to give to an adult crafter. The colors that I used are more on the dark, muted side, and I think the overall project has a sense of whimsy, but also very sophisticated. This concludes my review of my witch gift box. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you haven't already, please be sure to stop by and visit Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Also, don't forget to join us next Wednesday for some more fun fall and Halloween crafting. If you still need some fun Halloween inspiration, please be sure to check my playlist at the end of this video. I have just finished several Halloween projects for Scrap Diva Designs, and I'm sure there will be some ideas that will inspire you. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy Halloween.